Eduka yo womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure e company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boygo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil ya wigo chiriye chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Chinsa ikomigoro chiobo morogoba bwe Jumapili ya tariki 29 ekionga chinsa ikomiko asenchira ere yobo ngeke kimanchengro kwa Catherine Nyabuga Wilson Makori nero kombwato sekoro asomuna abo imanyirira na kuri studio kabere tore nere Barnabas Ndari aine kebuna chibicha na Mario Gengo ikarachira asenchira ere yobo kirano ikaranso ikitokumanyiga tiari abereka gwateka korwa imena isko yorogongora gusi abo asabali kibaitwa mangana babekire chikambi chiabo chinsemo na gutwarigania na gutwariganiria igati yari ingocha gukomanya korende Facebook na YouTube na watore buna Getembe TV genda kubwate miroburi yonsi ya Getembe TV wesemi wemanye na boigo onyare kwegokya na togo chaka obutsko bugokera rero nigo muroro mutindi obwata echiro ya marigiti ere ase bugatagatibo mocho bosongo ase egati yabangina abange bagokorera obonchorere bwabo bwechingenia matoke na boigo obonchorere bwechinsu chingoko chinyama na boigo egati yechinyeke abonchirira abechire yo nigo besokya na korera egati nibo eyo yabake gosareka sabano barukuboria ochase serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii gwesokya na gokoro botuki eri kumanyikirite ogwateka komoreroyo na boigo koeso anania eri kobakonya bagendere no bonchorera bwabo
sana abana ba mama abangi baba basacha nabo bale maiga abana basacha baba basirire neke gakinya sati gakonyo ndi bwensi obwato mubango yo gakinya sata mu amolembe nere na mu biashara bechiro nje nayo mawa yare nje bintu bya no byare ngare kini mbiye tinto kakonya bike lakini abangi na baitu bechi nyeni abangi na baitu ba serious omongi no itoko to supply serious at least na are mpaka list abwa this stock yesterday 800,000 chere mali
finance bire ko yeto tele account muno to gochogwa kurende gadi nkwango to gochogwa ase nyo to igwede ngabone muri weito to kaba shwadi abantu babinda mungi wele inga tarehe 17 serikali yeto account njabe geta appeal igoro bole mobo botere ko weito erinde elio amangana ya uchenzi echikobwati kare abikire budget yabero gokumia asobo tukuwabo ukira lero ko boniga yaki serikali yetu achali imekuwa omo gavana ito gavana toko sikete to wanchete ne cabinet yao amuna bapunge bonse beba kisi county daki yale ngoko babuya obaro leke kakiabwango nambe yemo mumanyinga obole mobo bali bakukiri mukobo bwabo nabato sambera
Your Excellency digo toko gosaba ngora konyora abantu ndora teba gusina kwaza mbage ronge na sokie clip gekoro kinga obore muno bwaye ndwa kwa nanga kero twa jeda swanzuri office ndora gati gute map of this market mune boundary ya itoye market yengana togo sabaiga e governor Simbarat amona ba MCA baho n'abacumbe bakere constituency twasabire iga mochema abangina nkorera tole naitwa baraitwarerire inchomo namnango kwana iga nasali ya mali abwata around 150 aso taigo mali ana ire tetari madali togo sabango toko ye togo sabayo moyeno soke muna mokoli gichikura yabo igo bono soka talinga ki yakura chire mochega mutukwanire
Habara ikuru ase serikali ye kaunti ya Kisii bakora na mukonyi umugavana omuske eraijo bebo nigo baikirana ase ayobu nenchira yamo yogo kwana nabangi nabo ase barira yogo chiago konya abangi nabo bainenere no bonjerera bwabo anene mono ase ogoche kwagacha echiro gose bibanda ebyo byanyara kugia
ano jamani oligeri ogenda se forest yane onyore bisigisa byonzi pi noiweta abantu baminto ojakira bono none na inugaiga ojake kupima elina abantu bajake kuagacha onto tayora jane konye monyende moyo onyende moyo na zimbo ndayora nganye onto wato bole mogaiga ngobono mojaka tole kuagacha bono ikachama ni yetu hamsini kotini na ameshinda. Angekuja ambia wananchi ameshinda kesi tujue tunawachukua wapi. Lakini kwa hiyo kesi hakuna kitu tunakubaliana. Na kesi county ilirudisha kotini tukashinda tukasema soko ijengwe hapa. Igomwa mtonde bwesta hiyo chake kubole mubono bwechiro. Binadamu wafanywe mambo kama haya hapa nyuma. Inakuaje kwamba leo hii watakuja mipango ifanywe ichomwe hapa peke yake mali nyingine isiguswe. Huo ni ungwana kweli? Hata kama ni kipofu si tunaona. Na tutatora maji. Serikali ya county kiongozwa na mheshimiwa Paul Simbarati. Mbale kama tuupone kwa ile ndege hii. Ngoikara tukono wara. Erebu yako serebu. Ndio maombi asubuhi na mapema nora. Wale wote wamepata janga, wamepata shida hii yote. Number 1, hoteli tunafagia hapa. Hii mabaki yote takataka hii tunatoa hii wamechoma. Hapa ngileo nikilia mangananya.
Sasa wako ni matunda. Na ile ni bono mamina nyori lege tete. Na icheko kia kulio mono, kuno mono galibo monchari. Na nchi na kinata yelego kuikana ni chai ga ndela mona iwe. Mbobe na kolile. Ona senge chama yale wa kwanira. Ate birenga kerokende ga seta ka immediately. Na nchi mule ndego ngote na nchi ikande ko koboko na teme sumali ya 20,000 shillings. Mekura watu wami. We support you. We can use Kiribino Namna Biale, Egeraba, to make an argument and maybe ask
Bagusini gobaburi wesokia na gocha amo na gokwana neri ugerimu una egesaku ekemu aikikibwate obwanchani kagokwana koraso muliga bwe kanisa oyokora kanase kanisa ya St Monica Kiamwasi egotoka eward ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii oyoboretie ekirugo kyobo MCA Joshua Orinobegi nigo arurobo semyo gocha sabasai anana mono bade batarabwate ibande kobwata ebibande bunenchera ya moyo koeroberia osekweri kiabuna bakichikura asabo chari bure mote bu mwaka 2027.
Fika hapa kama viongozi na kiongozi wa eneo hili la Kitutu Central Ward ili kuhakikisha kwamba tunasukuma gurudumu ya kazi ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Tumefika hapa leo kwa ajili ya mchango wa kanisa letu la Kiamwasi parish iko hapa na ombi langu ni kwamba tushirikiane kama watu wetu wote, asua sisi watu wa eneo hili la Gusii region, tushikane pamoja kwa maana vile dunia yetu inaonekana na vile mambo yanavyoenda inaonekana tusiposhikana pamoja kama jamii, inaonekana kwamba hata kwa kazi mambo ya maendeleo kama haya yametuleta hapa siku ya leo na mambo mengine ya mashule watoto wetu itakuwa ni vigumu sana. Kwa hivyo ombi langu kwa watu wetu wote pamoja na viongozi wa eneo hili ni kwamba tushikamane pamoja, tukuje pamoja, tupendane kwa ajili ya ile kazi ambayo iko mbele yetu na tushirikiane ili tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba wakati unapowadia vijana wetu ambao wameonekana kuwa na ghadhabu sana na uongozi unaoendelea katika nchi yetu wapate kushika kura zao vizuri na wajitokeze inapofika wakati wa kupiga kura hizi. Hayo ni yale tu tunayoomba watu wetu na tukimtarajia Mwenyezi Mungu aweze kutujalia. Asante sana.
Muwaziri omukoro bw'oburendi bwaime na bwoigo chisemi Dr. Alfred Okengo Matiang'i nigo atabire anigo atare chinsemo imeyensi ya Kenya ase asangire n'abantu na nige korekana abantu abange nigo babwate obororo egento koirera barabukorobekana na bwoigo gosaria enibo enyingi. Matiang'i nigo bono aruro kubore gochesa bana siasa gotigana na gukwanira siasa ribagari aye gochamo na gukwanira chingencho baranyari gokonya ense ya Kenya.
I know some of these wonderful people who are in government. I have worked with some of them before. I do not want to believe that the problem they have is capacity. It isn't capacity. I know some of them. They're smart people. I think they understand the country. Sometimes we get very surprised when we see the things they talk. Because we know them. We know what they can do. They are capable. So we are encouraging them. We don't want to criticize them. We want to encourage them to stand up, rise up, crank together and get some work done. And carry the burden, sometimes the pleasurable burden of leadership with dignity and grace and stand out for the country now. So mimi kwa maoni yangu, that's why you have noticed I'm not focusing so much on talking about siasa and stuff like that. I mean, which siasa are you talking about? 19 people dead. That's what the Kenya Human Rights Commission says. There's so many injured, businesses destroyed. If you look at the looting that was done around, I wonder, finally, let me say this, and I'm saying this with absolute sincerity. I have been moving around, talking to people. I go to, meet people. Look here, I am in charge here today, sitting with these leaders. The level of bitterness and anger down below in the country is unprecedented. I have not seen that before. Now, to imagine that there's nothing wrong and carry on as if it's business as usual, honestly, you have to be a very strange person. We are asking our brothers and sisters, and then, as I said, this is a patriotic moment. This is a time for the country. And what is being called upon now, it's also a leadership moment. Let's stand up and do the right thing for our country. And it cannot be based on excuses, some of them lovable. And in saying so, we are saying this is a patriotic moment. It's a moment for all of us to cross ranks. Wacha tuweke kando hata hiyo mambo ingine yote, siasa nini. we're talking about Uchaguzi is 25 or 26 months away. Our country must survive first, and we must be a stable nation before we get there. So let us not even stop talking about those businesses, about elections and stuff like that. Focus on the stability of the country, the welfare of our children. Tuongee sisi wote pamoja. I don't understand why this is it's so difficult. And then when a problem has happened, you know, accepting that we have a challenge does not make you less important, does not take away the power of your office, does not make you a small person. You know, we are human beings. You can actually make mistakes, and then things can go wrong. And if they have gone wrong, the right thing to do is to step forward and say, hey, good people, we think something is not going the right way. Can we now speak? I mean, the Bible is the most quoted text, even by our leaders in government. That same Bible says, come now, let us reason together. It's time for reasoning together for the purpose of ensuring that our country is going the right direction.
Boniface Mwangi Kariuki oyuobete umonchereria Boniface Mwangi Kariuki which mask oyuobete ga koraswari tuko chitariki 12 omocho Nairobi chinga kya basabe ke ogia Gen-Z bare korobekana erio kwamereria ogoitwa kwa moro kena boigo omo blog Alpato Juang nigo abeire ICU asenya gitari ya Kenyatta korwari tukerio ria 15 kabere abete ga koraso asebono abanyagitari baenekire buna nigo obongo bwaye bwakure korengana n'ikingoma abetega konyoraso motuye chingaki abetega koraso korengana no monogeri we family yabo emirwanjira nigo atebire ose nigo akwanirayo asebona abatebire family nigo yesokire na kugania gusirwa enyare konyora ebil erwakana ose nyare konya chibesa cyugwakana ebil ya nyagitari eye yatirire gose yakire gesara gwikabono.
We received a call at around midnight. It was at around 12:47 midnight from the hospital itself. They needed to have a brief with us, and we have already received the brief. We have been told what is happening, and the reality of the things, what is happening is that Boniface Mwangi Kariuki is confirmed to be brain dead. So that's where and how far we are. The hospital bill now is quite higher. We are at 3-point-something now. So we are praying and hoping now for the well-wishers, because now when somebody has been confirmed brain dead, we know what it means. So the brainstem of Boniface Mwangi Kariuki, it's not working any longer. So for all the well-wishers, we as the family of Boniface Mwangi Kariuki, we cry upon you, because a lot of hopes and promises were being given to us, but none has come through. So on behalf of that, we were given a pay bill for the medical bill fund, whereby is 7682-551 account. It's your name. And the name that it will reflect out of that pay bill, it's Boniface Mwangi Kariuki Medical Fund. So hapo ndipo tuko. Thank you.
Chapto kirechita ika 15 nemo iguru chinsa 10 chabono morogoba mwancho muri Getembe TV na rayina kwariganete ose twakwarganirete kurwa ekyonga chinsa 10 asenchira yo wengo morogoba buri tsikeriga ya Jumapili yo mwero yo mutinyoiga ogatano nalimo nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga Wilson makorokora somona wimanyiro balnaba sendari nera kwana kyabuna TV chana mariogi ngoikirachira asenchira ere yo wekira nutwara borigere borobya asemiro buri Getembe TV ko wata bye bye. Tomra nerit Korea ankyo.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills elukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tempo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray, Bricky Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue, na boigo na Green. Obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom. Onyare kabo gokwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumu chuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom. Boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500. Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya Pamoja Sacco yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bari chinse chimaiko ase Wakenya Pamoja Sacco yabere ogosira okonene ase abaremi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpane ao abarikire abaritayire basibaliensemo ya pension boigo abonchereria ibotani na Wakenya Pamoja Sacco iyo nyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinse muna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boigo chi advance loans boigo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo Wakenya Pamoja Sacco iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusongo kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik sibakire simyase namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasacco.com.
Chama lieta ngoro kwa isa kwa mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco. Sacco ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chara Wakenya Pamoja Sacco kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikome na inya chire within usi wanaintu tora rogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase Sacco na gosegwa ase sake ese wali batara join please njubwango mo join tukini Sacco yeito bagusi yeito esa magenda Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.